Hey guys, Garo here. Today we're back with another video. Today, we're taking a look at a knife that isn't a knife. I'll explain. So, like, you see this, right? It looks like a knife, feels like a knife, but then I pull this switch back. It's actually a comb. Yeah, it's a comb. So, I don't know why I just did that, but okay. So this is a comb you could get. So I got 4 of these for $6 on Amazon. Just look up switchblade comb and you could find them. They're actually pretty good. They're actually pretty good for the price. Since they are from Amazon, they probably will last you a few days or a few weeks or a few months before breaking. But hey, that's just a life cycle. But that's just a life cycle of something from Amazon. So, oh, and also, never mind. I'll teach you. So on there. So on there, you can probably see why. Yeah, you can see like why. Focus. And over here, stainless steel. It's cheaply made of stainless steel. So the way this works is that so like you see how it's like the switch can move up and down. When it's in up position, you see I'm gonna press the button. It doesn't work, but when it's in the down position, it pops open. Just like that. Now be aware that this part of the hand right here, is plastic, so it will probably break easily. There's like a hook, there's like a place where you can put like, I don't know, something under the credit card or something. So it doesn't say like the serial number or anything. You can probably do this. You can kind of see what's going on there. I don't know if the camera's picking up. Nope, it's not, but sure, but you can't see it, but I can see it. There's like and now you can see it. So you can see, if you pay really close attention, you can see like a little hook going up and down. That's what is a little hook going up and down, and here you can see and here's a hole where the hook can go. So if you buy a sharp one of these, they do exist. You probably wouldn't close it like this. I would probably close it. You would probably close it by doing this. So that's really gets so cool. Alright, okay, sorry about that. My cat was just stuck under a cabinet. It was my cabinet knife. It just freaking fell on her. Yeah. Oh no, so you probably saw this. Okay. This is pen spinning pen. It costs like $8 on Amazon. Pretty cheap. As you can see, I'm not that good. I'm nowhere near good. Like, just look up pen spinning, and then you'll just see somebody. Then you'll see somebody that's like weird. So, as I said, you can get 4 of these, so you can give to like your friends or your family, your girlfriend maybe. I wish I had one of those. And and this is pretty much very good for the price. You could probably find some better one. You could probably find a better one. Or like more money, but since I can only get stuff that's under $11, that's under $10. I'm sorry, under $10. I got this because you could get 4 of these for $6. Now the reason I didn't do this as an unboxing, just a review, is because I noticed that I don't know how to censor things, so I need to know how to censor my address so I can just unbox them normally. And yeah, pretty much the end of the video.